At Herbalife Nutrition, our first priority is quality. It's at the heart of everything we do. Our team of more than 300 doctors and scientists sets our global quality standards, and we have invested more than $300 million in our manufacturing and quality programs to ensure the best products. Herbalife nutrition quality control systems are unmatched in the industry, and we continuously test our products, putting them through an arduous protocol to ensure they comply not only with our standards, but also with all government safety requirements. We believe so strongly in our quality program that all of our testing protocols are independently ISO 17025 and NSF certified. No other company in the industry goes to all these lengths. Why do we dedicate so much to quality? For the millions of people who trust our products to be part of their daily nutrition plan. For 40 years, we've earned this trust by having the best products on the market.